In this video, I'll show you how to get promo codes for Bolt. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this tutorial. Alright, open up any web browser, go to Google, and now inside Google, type in promo codes for Bolt, and then hit search. And then if I scroll down the Google search results here, you can see Worth the Penny has got coupon codes, promo codes, Coupon Nation, We Thrift It, etc. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites to get promo codes. So one I like to use is called don'tpayfull.com. So as you can see, there's 5 Bolt promo codes. These codes do change daily on these third-party sites as well, so be sure to check them out whenever you can for different deals. So if you want to get £30 off your next ride, get your first ride for free, etc., you can check out all the different deals. You can even check out the expired ones, what they have offered in the past as well, to get a rough idea of what offers they generally give out to people. So to activate any one of these offers, simply click into it. So if you want your free first ride for you, click into that, copy this code here, and then paste this code at the checkout section of Bolt to receive your first free ride.